Hello everybody, for watching today we would like to show about how to take care your bicycle as well. This is the bicycle buying from the second-hand shop. It's a brand name ship, ship the brand name of bicycle ship from Japan. It is second-hand in Cambodia and it's not expensive. Just 100 or more than that you may buy that. But right now, you know that to keep your bicycle going as well, or you may drive everywhere easily and keep it for last long. The first you have to see and know about the chain. You may see the chain here. Yes, the derailleur that may make your chain up to the number that you want. And right now, I would like to show you how to clean it. It's very important that you have to do first if you want to clean your bicycle. Do like this. You may use this brush, the brush here. Yes, the brush here, and you will see the derailleur here, the chain. You have to rub it like this. Keep it clean for a long time. And that chain, it will gain the speed when you try to not wheel. The speed will be faster than when you do not clean it. And it's very easy, especially if you want to go or climb on the mountain. It's very easy and you have to do it. And one more thing is about and you should know too about the use of using or keep cleaning this. The instrument here talk about the Shimano is the device from Japan, and you can see the chain here is a little bit black. Yes, the chain here a little bit black. So in order to keep it or make it clear or make it smooth, we may use the olive. I show you here the olive. Yes, the olive. You may buy at the market. The olive that you already use it when you cook or something or make a food. Pour it like this. You may use a toothbrush. You can see the toothbrush here. You use toothbrush. Yes, and you put it here. You clean it. You clean the chain here. Why we choose this one and we don't buy it? Because it costs a little bit. It costs a little bit money, and you may save the money. Especially you may keep clean your bicycle as well. You see here. So this one, will clean your bicycle as well, and the dusty then that is with the derailleur will away. It is better than the machine oil that you try to use it. So the bicycle not smooth and doing as well. So keep and practice this. You may see here, practice here together. So your bicycle will be better and faster than before. You may drive everywhere and easily. So keep do like this all time or everywhere to keep clean your bicycle. Great with the olive. Just you may try apply many times with this, and you will see everything is okay right now. Yes, clean the derailleur that makes for the speed of the bicycle. Okay, so easy way to clean this. You have to conceal out the toothbrush here, the olive, and one more thing, this one. So everything will be enough for your bicycle and keep it for long last and great. So it's not expensive one, but it may be a one that you may practice exercise every day. Yes, this is the great bicycle one. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. I will make another video that will give the use to everybody to take care and keep clean your device or your material for long last. Thank you very much.